Hello and namaste to all the wonderful people out there. This is Neha and I welcome you all to another episode of Soul's Rendezvous. I hope you all are keeping safe and having a good time with your family. Let's get started and pick up today's request. Our requester wants to know, what if your twin flame is in a karmic relationship and you are in separation? How can you work on yourself? How to be distracted from them? This scenario is very much common among twin flames and most of us struggle here. We need to understand that karmic relations would always be there in your and your twin's life because they too have their specific purpose to serve, and ideally it should not bother you in any way. This is because you are on your spiritual journey with your twin flame and this bond is irreplaceable with any karmic or soulmate. It takes us years to comprehend the real purpose of this journey, as you feel a magnetic pull towards your twin flame all the time. I believe that this could be overcome by considering it as a phase of this journey and with the belief that it shall also pass. Always remember that every individual is different and so is this twin flame journey. Take it into consideration that your twin's thoughts would haunt you and will try to distract you always. You just need to focus and find ways for yourself that could best work out for you, which makes you and your mind stable. During separation, you are not supposed to distract yourself from your twin, as this is something next to impossible. You share the same soul, so distracting yourself from the other part of your soul is something out of question. You just have to focus more on yourself. Focus enough that your twin's thoughts should not take over your mental peace. This is required because though you share the same soul, but you are two separate identities in the 3D world. And you have to progress in your own life and support them in achieving their life goals too. There are certain ways which can help you progress in your journey. First and foremost, you need to practice detachment. Keeping detached from your counterpart sounds quite hard, but that is something which is the first step to remain distracted. Every morning or at bedtime, command your subconscious mind that you love your counterpart, but right now I am focused on myself. Practice meditation if you can, as it will align your mind, body, and soul. You will learn to live in the present moment, which is quite important on this journey. You can also try to be close to nature and feel the beauty of it. It will aid you in unanticipated ways. Start exploring your own self, as while you are in separation, it is the best time to find your creative side. This is not going to happen overnight and it needs lot of practice and patience. Ask yourself, what would you like to relive the current moment? Do you really want to feel like you are feeling in the present moment forever? Talk to yourself. You may also try and communicate with the universe and make it your companion and leave everything to it. Having said that, you need to surrender to the universe. Trust me, once you start believing in this universe, you will be in the safe hands and you will always get guidance from it. You need to have a strong belief system that you are doing great day by day and will reach where you want to be. Another important point I would like to highlight here is never ever resist yourself from anything, because the more you resist yourself, the more you feel tempted to attract that resistance, be it anything. So, for an instance, if you feel like calling your twin flame or texting them, do it right away instead of thinking repeatedly, because the more you think about it, the more complex it will become in your mind. Instead, you can just call them and make yourself at peace and can focus on other problems of your life. Face all your fears and trust me, this is the only possible way to overcome it. Try doing everything that makes you scared and you will not feel scared anymore about anything. Have trust in you and in your love towards your twin flame. This universe that had made you land on this journey, it will take you through with all the bumpy rides, but never ever lose faith in it, even if things are not in your favor. I hope this would give you some insight. With this, I would like to wrap up today's episode. Hope you have resonated with my views. If you could connect to my ideas of giving yourself a priority, let me know in the comment section. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please do it right away. You may also comment about your twin flame experiences. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment. Would love to share it with our audience. Thank you so much for listening to me. Signing off for now. Please do like and subscribe my channel and help me spread the word. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Take care and see you in my next episode. Bye bye.